Here's a structured signal from WellView 365, powered by freshnews.ai. Scalable digital signage is moving from pilot to network standard, pushing operators to rethink cross-facility content governance and accountability. Executive summary. Scalable digital signage in healthcare treats most waiting room screen as part of a centralized governed network rather than a local ad hoc project. Content is managed through a single platform with shared templates, approvals, and publishing rules, so patient messages can be planned and updated in one place. The result is consistent, accurate information across locations, simpler support, and a clearer view of the total footprint of patient-facing screens. Today's signal. Operations leaders are using annual budget resets to pull waiting room screen projects into a single network line item with clear ownership. The pressure is to eliminate one-off departmental contracts and ad hoc content updates that slow message changes. Aligning digital signage under a governed network this quarter sets a baseline for consistent patient-facing communication before the next policy or workflow update. WellView 365 enables centralized content management across departments by centralizing publishing synchronization, digital management, and management control across end-to-end delivery paths. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, screen content changes no longer depend on each site or department remembering to update local playlists. Second, policy and workflow updates can be pushed once and applied consistently across all waiting room screens. Third, budget planning for digital signage becomes a single, visible line item instead of fragmented purchases. Fourth, accountability for incorrect or outdated patient-facing messages is clear because ownership is centralized. How it works in practice. A common example is the start of a new fiscal year when finance asks for a consolidated view of patient-facing screen costs. Operations leaders find multiple vendors, aging media players, and local USB or PowerPoint loops managed by front desk staff. Content changes require emails, phone calls, and reminders, so some sites show outdated check-in or masking instructions. When digital signage is treated as a governed network asset, there is a single content calendar, shared templates, and one change request path, so updates roll out on a schedule without chasing individual clinics. One practical adjustment. This week, list many patient-facing screens and who owns the content, and flag anything not tied to a single operational owner. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, review all screen-related contracts and renewals under one budget code for the coming year. Second, name a single operational owner for network-wide patient-facing screen content and publishing. Third, set a basic approval path for clinical, legal, and brand review of waiting room content. Fourth, create a shared schedule listing which messages must stay in sync across all locations and how often they are updated. Read more at wellview365.com.